right here, just on the other end of the boot, you need to slide that half shaft out of the differential. And it's fairly easy. If you can't get it out, you put a little pry bar back there and you can pop it out. And everything's great, and then you go to put it back together and you find you can only get it on about 1/2 inch, if that, and then you're kind of stuck because there's a ring in there that kind of stops it from going past. But it's not too hard. I got this one on in about 5 minutes, and that was me just trying to figure it out. So that's in there. It's seated in there pretty good. I'm going to connect the rest of the upper control arm, torque those in. I'm going to torque that upper shock. I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how I did it on the other side. And you can see that that's seated on there nice. It's in there good. Yeah. Here's a passenger, and as you can see, it's not in there. Oh, okay. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some grease in there. And what we're doing here is trying to get past, I don't know if you can see, but there is a ring. Here's the shaft. And if you look about, 1/2 inch or so in from the right, going left, you'll see a ring in there. And that's what we need to get that half shaft past. So first thing we'll do is grease it up. That's the grease I'm going to use. It's pretty decent. It's a synthetic blend. Not like super high temperature, but it'll do what we need to do. Upper strut is still disconnected, as well as the lower control arm. Obviously I did this so I could drop the cradle. And the shaft is just sitting on there, that about 1/2 inch that I showed you before after I greased it. And so the method that I'm going to use here is first I'm going to lift the suspension up just a little bit. The idea here is, and you want to make sure that you get this lined up, the shock, before you do this, especially when you're on the second side. Okay, so the shock is lined up, and I'm lifting it, and all I'm trying to do is, you see, I could just about get that control arm in there, which means that I have flexibility in this guy. And if you notice, when I push in on this, pushes in on the boot, which means it's going to push in on the half shaft into the differential. And all I'm going to do is take the control arm, keep it safe and out of the way, and I'm going to use this guy, push in on him. You can hear that noise? Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to push that shaft all the way in.